ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mo wọ̀n tó kí yín káàkiri gbogbo ibi tí ẹ ti ń wò wá now lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jà ràìnràìn lórí àwọn mọ̀nínà wọ̀tá ìyàwó tí ń juwó olóògùn owó tí ń pààyàn sówó òun rèé o tọ́wọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá tẹ̀ ó ti sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ti interview ẹ̀ tó fẹ́nu ara ẹ̀ sọ àwọn nǹkan kan ó tún mú wá náà ni pé ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹja tún gbọ́n tí eléré ibú èèyàn ẹja gbọ́n tó sọ torí lè yí ìṣe èèyàn gidi ẹja gbọ́n tó sọ ìfọ̀n tó bá kàn tẹ̀tún ló tún lè mọ sọ gbọ́n tó ń sọ yìí tó tún yí irọ́ níbi tí ẹ máa wá surprise kí làwọn nǹkan míì tó tún sọ fọ́nrán yẹn ni mo ní kí n mú wá fún ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ bá wa share pẹ̀lú àwọn ẹlòmíín náà káwọn náà mọ̀ bí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ mo dẹ̀ fi dẹ́yìn yẹn wa lójú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ àá gbìyànjú ká mọ̀ fún ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ní update ẹ jágbọ́n tó sọ eléyìí ló ní bẹ́lẹ̀ ń jà ní ẹ bá wa pín kó tún jáde lọ sí gbòòrò ayé.
Good evening. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Levi Obiese.
Levi Obiese.
Yes.
You are from which state?
From Enugu State.
Where do you reside?
I reside in Benin Republic.
You reside in Benin Republic.
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a businessman.
You're a businessman.
Yes.
Where are you heading to now?
I don't know where I'm heading to right now because they say before you will kill someone, you allow the person to talk. Do you understand? Because you were an officer. Someone might say you were a killer or you were wherever you know that you are innocent. Whenever you know that you are innocent, even though they take you to hell, you will go there. The God of vengeance will still deliver you from anything.
But you know there's an issue on ground concerning you, huh?
An issue concerning me is a political issue, something policies, fabrication against me because I will be next of king. So and some people in my village don't want me to be that next of king. So they are planting evil against me front and back so that I can fall. That is the major issue. And people, PG of my village come and demolish my house.
Are you a native doctor?
No.
You're not a native
No.
doctor.
PG of my village come and demolish my house. So all these things is just to weak me. As I'm talking to you now, I'm homeless. I don't have house.
Who demolished your house?
PG of my village.
What is PG?
President General.
President General?
Yes.
As a king?
No, President General of my community.
Okay.
Yes.
So why did he demolish your house?
Because they are the one that planted something that is disturbing me.
What is that? Something like what?
You know? They
planted something
They
like what?
planted, let me call it. They planted
Huh?
something, I don't know like how I'll call the guy. They planted someone, he's a young guy. The young guy, there is a way I'm building a new house. And that new house I'm building is far away from my own house where I live. So before I will go there, it's difficult. I don't go there anyhow. So then, because of this kinship issue, that
Wait
is
now. What do they plant it in your house?
that is what I'm coming.
Is that no? Just tell me that. This is the reason. Now you are saying kinship of which
Yes.
meeting? Which meeting?
Let him go, let him land.
Okay.
Because of this kinship issue, they set me up
That what do you do?
with someone that is working for them. Plant a dead person in my house, in my
Compound.
well, what they call it, soccer pit.
Okay.
They planted it, keep it there. And I have already answered this matter, already finished.
Wait. Somebody come and put a dead body in your
Yes.
soccer way.
Yes. See,
That person that is body. Do
they
you know
catch
him?
the guy.
Do you know the person?
I don't know the guy before, but they.
Wait. Do you know the
No,
dead
no, I
body?
don't know the body.
So what of the person that come and planted it?
They
in your
catch it already.
Okay.
him?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So okay, that was what.
That's
you
why
said
I'm free.
They
Yes.
planted for you.
Yes.
Okay. What is your business?
I'm a businessman.
What type of business?
I sell Africa
For where?
for me 7.
Okay, and that is where you live?
That is why I live Yenawa Vodo Hunt.
In Benin?
Yes.
Do you have passport?
No, I have ID card.
You don't have international passport?
No.
No airport passport?
No. Just ID card.
Okay, I have another question.
I don't have another question. You have another question.
You have
No,
another-
it's okay.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.